Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to turn on the OTG connection on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and in the settings we need to scroll up to find this section with the connections. Then go to more connectivity options, and here localize OTG. And all you need to do to turn it on is to tap on the switcher, and now your device should recognize other devices. If you're done with using of the OTG, you can simply turn it off by tapping on the switcher again, or you can simply wait, because as you can see, your device will automatically turn it off if not in use for 10 minutes. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.